Thank you, Ninja Sutawa Kochira, guys, and today, guys, we are going to be playing another game of Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Power 2. So, let's see. Let's just get right into the game. Today, we're going to do another solo. I'm going to pick one. I want to pick one. Now, guys, I'm thinking, let's do Bam. Hold on. Sorry, I was pressing the wrong button. Let's see, let's do Bam versus Bam. Don't say I'm cheating because Master Roshi can. No. Caught him off guard. You see what I did there, guys? Dang it, he got me. I'm gonna go Super Saiyan. I did that on purpose. Alright, I'm ready. I couldn't catch him. Watch this, guys. See, he can transform just really buff. But doesn't like take up most of his stamina. That's what stamina. I won, guys. Now let's do Vegeta versus Gogeta. Kai World. Alright, guys, you ready? Here it goes. This is my special attack, some big bang attack like stuff. Bro, stop spamming. Alright, that's it, he dead. Oh, he almost died. I keep forgetting block. Come on. I thought I couldn't see him. Come on, just keep spamming. I'm almost dead, so I might as well just spam. Dang it. He thought I didn't see him. Big bang attack! Dang it. Big bang attack! Alright, listen, I'm just gonna kill him. Yep, just kill him with those 2 hits, y'all. Alright, let's see. Now, I'm gonna do one reenactment battle. So, the reenactment battle will be Bam versus Bam. Dang, Frieza trash. Yeah, sorry guys that I paused the fight during that fight. I'm very sorry, but Frieza won, I'm being honest. Okay, about Doom, Boom versus Boom. Now I'm gonna be fair. Once he goes Super Saiyan 2, I'll go Super Saiyan 2 and stay there. This is really Goku. I'm fighting with honor. They fought there. Here he goes. Dang, he just goes straight up. Use the gun. Now come on, Vegeta, go Super Saiyan or something. I'll let you go. There you go. Kamehameha. Kamehameha. Come on, yeah. Dang it, he just freaking comboed me. Yeah. Come on, Vegeta, there's no way you can beat me in the Super Saiyan form. Just go Super Saiyan 2. What do you know, the Big Bang Attack. Oh, he went Super Saiyan 2. I must respond. And he won. Well, Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta was Majin Vegeta, so it makes sense that I didn't win that. Now, see guys, you're probably wondering, why is Super Saiyan Blue, Vegeta, and Goku down here? Well, it kind of makes sense that they are, because they also do people from the movies as well. Like for instance, these people were in the movie. Cooler was from a movie. Who else was from a movie? This person was from a movie. This person was from a movie. These people were from TV specials. I don't know how he can go Super Saiyan. Yeah, this person is from a movie. Who else is from a movie? The androids. These three people are from a movie. And, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And, Garlic Jr. isn't in here, but it kind of makes sense that he's not. But anyway, But anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. I'll leave the game in this. I've left the game in the description below. Bye.